Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa and I'm with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. So I'm here at the Rye Heights. I'm looking at their beautiful fitness center. I'm just going to show you just a few parts about it. It's really pretty. You can see it's a really tall area. That's probably 25-30 feet tall right there. You've got a lot of great equipment. You've got a lot of free weights, a lot of mirrors, and then you've got some good ellipticals and treadmills over here. So you've got 3 treadmills. They're here. You've got some ellipticals over there, and then this is all overlooking the pool. It's a really pretty pool that's over there. And again, you just have some really unique, cool equipment. Like this is really cool. I have literally never seen this. This looks super fun. It's called Total Stretch. Kind of intriguing and interesting. So really fun. Also, there's an upstairs. The upstairs has spin bikes and things like that. Those are up there, so you can go on the second level and get additional workout. It's a really cool fitness center here. I like it. It's very well done. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing here on this video, on any of these videos, send me a text. Just use the number below, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're going to go explore some apartments now.